In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of stock analysis using Chad GPT, an advanced AI tool that's changing the game for investors. We'll explore how this innovative technology can help you make informed decisions by analyzing market trends, company performance, and even sentiment analysis from news articles. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding how to leverage AI can give you a competitive edge. We'll break down the process step by step, showcasing real examples and practical tips to enhance your stock analysis. So, if you're curious about how artificial intelligence can transform your investment strategies and boost your confidence in the stock market, stick around. You won't want to miss this insightful journey into the future of investing. Understanding stock analysis. Stock analysis is the process of evaluating a company's financial health and market position to make informed investment decisions. It plays a crucial role in determining whether to buy, hold, or sell a stock. There are two primary types of stock analysis: fundamental and technical. Fundamental analysis focuses on a company's financial statements, management, and market conditions to assess its intrinsic value. On the other hand, technical analysis examines historical price movements and trading volumes to predict future trends. Understanding stock analysis is vital for investors because it helps them identify potential opportunities and risks in the market. By mastering these techniques, investors can make more strategic decisions, ultimately leading to better financial outcomes and a more robust investment portfolio. Introduction to Chad GPT. Chad GPT is an advanced AI language model developed by OpenAI, designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. It works by analyzing vast amounts of data and learning patterns in language, enabling it to provide insightful responses. When it comes to stock analysis, Chad GPT offers several advantages, such as processing large datasets quickly, identifying trends, and generating reports that can aid in decision-making. However, it's important to recognize the limitations of AI in financial contexts. While Chad GPT can provide valuable insights, it lacks the ability to understand real-time market emotions and unforeseen events that can impact stock prices. Therefore, while it can enhance analysis, it should be used as a complementary tool alongside human judgment and expertise. Setting up Chad GPT for stock analysis. To get started with Chad GPT for stock analysis, first, access the platform by visiting the OpenAI website or using an integrated application that features Chad GPT. Once you're logged in, you can begin by inputting stock data and queries. For effective results, clearly specify the stock symbol and the type of analysis you want, such as, analyze the financial health of Apple Inc., or, what are the recent trends for Tesla stock? To optimize responses, consider providing context, like recent news or specific metrics you're interested in, such as earnings per share or market trends. Additionally, asking follow-up questions can help refine the analysis further. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to leverage Chad GPT for insightful stock analysis. Analyzing a stock with Chad GPT. Let's analyze Apple Inc. using Chad GPT. Start by asking, what is the current financial status of Apple Inc.? Chad GPT will provide insights into key metrics like revenue, earnings per share, and market trends. Next, you can delve deeper by asking about recent news or product launches that may impact the stock. As you receive responses, interpret the data by looking for patterns or significant changes in performance. However, it's crucial to cross-reference the AI-generated data with reliable financial news sources and analyst reports. This ensures that you're not solely relying on AI for your investment decisions. By combining ChatGPT's insights with external information, you can form a more comprehensive view of Apple Inc.'s stock potential and make informed investment choices. Interpreting results. When analyzing stock results provided by ChatGPT, it's essential to focus on key metrics such as earnings per share, EPS, price to earnings, P/E ratio, revenue growth, and market capitalization. These indicators give you a snapshot of a company's financial health and growth potential. To assess the reliability of the information, Consider the sources of data Chad GPT references and cross-check them with reputable financial news outlets or analyst reports. Remember, while AI can provide valuable insights, it's crucial to think critically about the information presented. Look for consistency in the data and question any anomalies or unexpected trends. By combining AI-generated insights with your own research and analysis, you can make more informed investment decisions and better navigate the complexities of the stock market. Real-world applications. Investors can leverage Chad GPT analysis in various real-world scenarios to enhance their investment strategies. For example, some successful investors have utilized AI insights to identify undervalued stocks, leading to profitable investments in companies like Microsoft and Amazon during market dips. By integrating Chad GPT insights into a broader investment strategy, investors can combine AI-generated data with traditional analysis methods, such as fundamental and technical analysis, to create a well-rounded approach. This integration allows for more informed decision-making, as AI can quickly analyze vast amounts of data and highlight trends that may not be immediately apparent. Ultimately, the potential for AI to enhance decision-making is significant, empowering investors to make smarter choices and adapt to the ever-changing market landscape with greater confidence. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the powerful capabilities of Chad GPT for stock analysis, highlighting how it can assist investors in making informed decisions. We discussed the fundamentals of stock analysis, the setup process for using Chad GPT, and how to interpret its insights effectively. Remember, while AI can enhance your analysis, it's essential to cross-reference information and think critically about the results. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with fellow investors. We invite you to explore related content on our channel or website, where you'll find more tips and strategies to elevate your investment journey. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.